Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add grid lines in Canva. First step is to open a browser. Now click on the search bar and type in canva.com. After opening Canva, you can see create a design button on the top right corner. Click on it and choose any of this design. Here I am choosing YouTube thumbnail. Now here on the top navigation bar, you can see file option. Click on it. Here click on settings and you can see show rulers and guides. Mark it as checked and again click on file and go to settings, and here click on add guides and mark it as checked. You can also choose the number of columns from the custom option, and here click on add guides and it will create a grid lines. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.